Today I'm going to show you how to get a Wandering trader that sells completely OP items in Minecraft. So let me show you exactly how to get it. First, open your browser and search for Addon for Minecraft. Once you're on the website, search for the Wandering Trader OP Items add-on. Look for the add-on called Minecraft, but Wandering Trader trades OP items. Open the add-on page and scroll down until you find the download option. Download the add-on and wait for the file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, open the file. Minecraft should automatically launch and start importing the add-on. Wait for the import to finish. After that, go into Minecraft and create a new world. Before starting the world, go into the Resource Packs and Behavior Packs section. Find the Wandering Trader add-on that you just imported. Make sure the add-on is enabled before you create the world. Activate the required packs for your world. Now start the world and wait for Minecraft to load. Once you're inside the world, the next step is to find a Wandering Trader. You can either wait for one to naturally appear or use a Wandering Trader spawn egg if you have one. And now, let's see what this trader is selling. Look at these trades. Instead of the normal items, this trader can sell some seriously powerful stuff. You can get amazing weapons, armor, valuable items, and other OP loot. And the crazy part is the price. Some of these items can be bought for just a few emeralds. So basically, you can get extremely powerful gear without spending a huge amount of emeralds. This makes the add-on really useful if you want to make survival Minecraft much easier. Or if you simply want to have fun with some ridiculously overpowered trades. Just remember to activate the add-on correctly when creating your world. Otherwise, the special trades may not appear. And that's it. Now you know how to get the Wandering Trader OP items add-on in Minecraft. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Minecraft add-ons, mods, and useful tutorials. And if you want more OP Minecraft add-ons like this one, stay tuned for the next video.